Feeling tired? What if I told you? Just 1 spoon of honey can give you the energy to run, study, or even fight like a warrior. Sounds like magic, right? In ancient Greece, Olympic athletes ate honey before their games. Roman soldiers carried honey as their battle fuel. But why honey? Because it's packed with natural sugars, glucose and fructose, that your body absorbs instantly. No waiting, no crash, just pure, quick energy. So while you're sipping an expensive energy drink, bees are like, bro, we've been making natural Red Bull for millions of years. And here's the kicker. Honey not only boosts energy, it also helps muscles recover faster. That's why even modern athletes use honey gels during marathons. So the next time you're low on energy, don't grab a can of chemicals. Grab a spoon of nature's sweetest power source. Would you replace your energy drink with honey? Subscribe to Zaratiya TV for more shocking